Hey, Brian from Garage Wall. This is the MRCOOL DIY 2400 unit, and just to kind of give you an idea, so this is generating heat at 105 degrees, 106. It's set at 76, and you can tell it's cold outside. You got all the snow sitting out there. And this is doing a nice job keeping the temperature nice and warm inside. And unit was really easy to install. This was actually a replacement unit for another unit, and it just works great. But just so there's no doubt at how well this heat pump actually works, so you can tell the temperature that it's putting out. And you can see what the weather looks like. Anyhow, Brian from Garage Mahal, these are great units. You'll absolutely be super satisfied with them. Anyhow, and this is the unit outside. Like I say, it was pretty easy to set up. I'm not going to go through the insulation part of it, obviously, but just to give you an idea of the amount of heat that's pumping out and give you an idea. I mean, it's like 20 degrees outside. So, a little chilly, and this thing is doing great. It is keeping the house nice and warm. Anyway, Brian from Garage Mahal, thanks for watching, and I said be safe out there.